AMP right now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 sort of is at present at $0.005 in an essentially significant manner. AMP faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which really is very huge. AMP records truly descending development today, which truly is very huge. 09 December 2023. In this video we will really walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these oftentimes explicitly sought clarification on some things, facts, what truly is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for AMP, in every way that really matters, is AMP an especially wise venture? Which explicitly is genuinely huge. AMP support and opposition levels and so forth in a truly significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the AMP specialized examination, basically let us especially discuss the genuinely current economic situation's market investigation. Over the sort of last 24 hours, there in every practical sense was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,642,155,706,569, which explicitly is very critical. The very complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $68,939,985,961, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48% amazingly. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a cost difference in 5.62% inside a similar time span. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours in every practical sense, significant way. BNB, the fundamentally local coin of BNB, generally is up by 2.84 and presently exchanging at $241.09 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Solana came to $76.08 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 6.43% in esteem in a by and large enormous way. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a by and large descending, heading for transient in a huge manner. As of now, a sort of broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is very huge. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers explicitly become certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exhibiting how AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants sort of move really dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which sort of is very huge. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP in a real sense is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and really has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48%. Which sort of is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while genuinely all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars in an especially enormous manner. There sort of are practically 42,227,702,186 sort of are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, or so they basically thought. AMP value investigation AMP cost examination for 09 December 2023 inside an especially everyday time span, certainly made sense of beneath, by and large further appearance, how AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction, especially are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Which generally is genuinely critical. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving essentially normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the AMP. Truly further appearance how these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market especially is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for pretty transient in an unobtrusive manner. While AMP's Williams %R marker truly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal basically is somewhat conceivable at this reach in an extremely large manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining beneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, so support especially is a level at which purchasers certainly become more by and large dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized markers used to in every way that really matters, recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a truly significant manner. AMP financial backers need to really hang tight for any directional change over the fundamentally everyday outline, which in a real sense shows that while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a cost difference in 5.62% inside a similar time span, so various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, which essentially is genuinely huge. The main help level for AMP in every practical sense is at $0.005, while the kind of second one in every practical sense is at $0.004, exhibiting how BNB, the truly local coin of BNB especially, is up by 2.84 and presently exchanging at $241.09, which in every way that really matters is very huge. While taking about obstruction, the AMP basically has R1 and R2 at $0.005, $0.006 individually, so AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005, the EMA 50 basically is presently at $0.005, or so they by and large thought. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 45 and especially is attempting to truly break out of the impartiality zone, exhibiting how following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP explicitly is at $0.005, down 2.2